Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to remove your card from Spotify. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to remove a credit card from your Spotify account, all you gotta do is simply access to your account page on the Spotify website and navigate to the option called Saved Payments Card. So once you are in your login page, you need to simply scroll down below where you can find different kind of options. So from the options in particular, you need to simply tap on Saved Payment Cards, which is under the heading called Payment. Once you have done this, now you need to simply select the card you wish to remove. So once you have selected this Saved Payment Cards, it will show you a variety of cards that you have saved on your Spotify. So simply tap on the card you want to remove and then click on Remove Save Cards. So once you have done this, you will be able to remove that particular card from Spotify. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.